Hey folks, today let's take this heavy cream and turn it into whipped cream. Let's not waste any time. First you gotta get your heavy cream into this big bowl. And next you can start whisking this to whip it up into the whipped cream. I'm not gonna do that right now. That could take like 20 minutes. It's super tiring. But if you want to test your resolve, if you want a good workout, just start whisking this stuff. Start aerating it and whipping it up. Like I said, I'm not mixing this up by hand. I have this KitchenAid mixer that I'm going to use, and I've got the whisk option. I'm going to lock that down and start whisking this up. So when you're making whipped cream and you're whipping it up, mixing it up, what you're doing is introducing tiny air bubbles into the fat in that cream. That's going to give it structure, it's going to puff it up and make it the whipped creamy texture that you know. Alright, we've been going for about 2 or 3 minutes now. Just want to show you what this is looking like. This still really just looks like some foamy cream. It's still a liquid. We're going to keep that going until it is the whipped cream texture that we want. Alright, another couple minutes have passed. You can see that we are still liquidy. It's starting to get a little bit thicker, and I can tell that the volume in here is increasing because those air bubbles are being incorporated into this cream. Alright, another couple minutes have passed. Let's see how we're looking. We are getting very, very close. It's getting thick. Maybe a couple more minutes. Alright, this looks like what we want. So after about 10 minutes of whipping, we've gotten to where we want to be. We want some stiff peaks. We want it to basically hold on our spoon. And if I just take a taste, it's already delicious. This would be great on an espresso or a cup of coffee. If you want to add a little bit of powdered sugar, you've got right there the whipped cream that you can put on pie, like pumpkin pie. Right now it's the fall. You can flavor it however you want. You can add strawberry syrup, chocolate syrup, you can add food coloring. You can make whipped cream anything you want it to be, and it's going to be much more delicious making it straight from the heavy whipping cream than you would out of a ready whip bottle. I hope you enjoyed this first part of my heavy cream series. Today we made whipped cream. It's delicious. I hope you try to make this at home. Stay tuned for some more things that I'm going to make with this heavy cream.